I'm here today to show off a fabulous wig I just got from Epic's Cosplay Wigs. I just received a ginger lace front that I'm using for a Ginny Weasley cosplay from Harry Potter. It is a lace front, so it did come with a lace weft. I personally have a specific way I go about preparing my lace front wigs, and I'm just going to show you how to do that today. I know some people do like to prepare their lace front wigs on their own head, but for me, I prefer to do it on my wig head. So for this tutorial, have a foam wig head or a canvas one, pull that one on out and get some pins, and we're just gonna do a really quick little lace front cut. So get a nice sharp pair of scissors as well and a comb. Getting started, we're going to get out our wig and we're going to position it on our wig head properly. So locate the bottom of the wig and then put that on top so you can have it nice and center. Next, we are going to want to pin some of that hair back on one side. It doesn't matter which side you start on. Just grab a bobby pin and take a nice big piece of hair and comb it, smooth it out of the way. Once the hair is out of the way, take a T-pin and put that right on the side of the lace so you can keep it down and anchored. Now we're going to grab our scissors, but we want to make sure the lace is all in order and we don't snip off any pieces of hair. So make sure all of your hair is nice and secure. I'm just going to bobby pin the other side out of the way and get snipping. Here on the lace, we want to get as close to the hairline as possible without actually cutting off any of the roots. So go nice and slowly if needed, so you can be nice and exact. Continuing, we're just going to follow the wig's hairline, and then right when we get to the bottom, take off your pin and just follow the line of that lace. And now we are lace free, so go ahead and unpin your hair and let it down, and we're just going to take out our comb next to get this nice and smooth. Now just nicely and gently brush out your wig till all of the little lumps are out and it lays nice and smooth. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and found it a little bit helpful. If you have any more suggestions, please do write it below in the comment section for future videos, and I'll see you later. Layers.